Good morning, children. Let us begin with today's thought. You could make a wish or you could make it happen. Children, we have to choose whether to just make a wish or make it become reality by working hard to make it happen. Let's continue with lesson 8, our need for water. In the previous video, we studied that there is water in our body in the form of tears, saliva, and blood. Water is essential for proper functioning of our body. We also discussed about public source of water. Let's continue with the remaining part. Like us, animals too need water. People who keep animals provide drinking water to them without fail. We know that these animals too get thirsty. But there are thousands of animals. We do not realize that they too need water. Whether the animal is big or small in size, all kind of animals need water. Ants, honeybees, crabs, scorpions, and all other animals need water. Children, animals living in forest come to a water hole to drink water. Water hole means a small pool of water. Here we can see a tiger near a water hole. Wild animals also need water. They come to a water hole in the forest when they are thirsty. So people too go there in order to sight the wild animals. Children, can you tell why do we go near a water hole in a jungle to see wild animals? Children, when wild animals get thirsty, they come to a water hole to drink water. And that is why people go there in order to sight these animals. Water is important in our day-to-day life. We need water for different activities like drinking, bathing, cooking, cleaning, for watering plants, for agriculture, and for industries too. Let's have a look here on two pots labeled as pot 1 and pot 2. We will water the plant in pot 1 regularly for a few days, and we will do not water the plant in pot 2. After few days we see that plant in pot 1 is growing well, whereas plant in pot 2 is dried. Children, this tells us that plants too need water. We water our potted plants. Potted plants means plants which are grown in pots. Farmers water the crops in their fields. Plants cannot live without water. Thus, we see that plants like animals need water. Children, no one waters the plants and trees in the forest. So from where does these trees get water? Children, rainwater seeps into the soil. Roots of plants spread deep into the soil. These roots absorb the water that has seeped into the soil. Seeped means which is sprayed into the soil. Some plants can grow only in water, like bulrushes, lotus, water chestnut, and hyacinth. These plants cannot grow in soil. Children, Here we have completed the lesson. Let's revise what we have studied in the lesson. All kind of living things need water. There is water in the bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We get thirsty when there is lack of water in our body. Many villages have a common source of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources to fulfill their need of water. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops, and for industry too. The roots of plants go deep into the soil and absorb water which are seeped into the soil. Children, you have to read the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.